So you want to add music to your Luma Fusion project. Let me show you the way. Yeah, that's roughly what we're gonna do, okay? Just add music like that. Okay. Now also, make sure that you follow my finger, okay? Just where the blue dot is, that's where my finger will be, okay? So you can follow me with that. Okay, first up, where do you get your music from, okay? In Lumafusion, the story block that you can write there, story block in Lumafusion, that's where you can have your music royalty free. But my suggestion is go to YouTube Studio. There's a section there. Go down, scroll down. I'll do a B-roll so you know where it is as well. Go there and you can download it and import it straight to Lumafusion. Okay. I'll show you my imported. Add the apps. Right now, I had around two music tracks from YouTube that are imported in to Lumafusion. So the first music that you hear in the beginning was from YouTube. So let me go ahead and show you guys what to do next, okay? So adding music to Lumafusion is really easy, okay? Let me go out and delete this first, so we'll start from scratch. There's a trash can at the bottom, so you click on the clip that you want, and there's a trash can right there. Done. Okay, so if your clip will be very boring if it's just no music. Okay. Okay, this is my. So I just scroll through. That's my B-roll of my introduction of unboxing. Yeah, it's content creation in YouTube. What can you do, right? Now, I just I'll go up here to my imported audio file and just drag on, just like what you normally would do, right? You drag it on to your timeline. So from there to here, okay. Then we just play. Okay. Now you can go to listen to the track, okay, and go to the part where you think it's good, and you can select that. What you do, back to Lumafusion now. There's an arrow there, so you can move back and forth, drag it on how long you want it and how short you want it. Okay, that's long, that's short. Okay, so I probably like it somewhere around when he changed the beat. Okay. And you can cut it as well. So there's a scissors down the bottom. Make sure you only cut the audio track only, okay? Make sure it's been selected. Otherwise you will cutting the whole audio and video. So there's a scissors down there, down the bottom. Okay. Cut any way you want. So it's roughly there. Cut. And then only cut the audio that I want. So this first part, delete, trash can, and I'll move this back to the front. Now that's roughly like that. Okay. Now that's roughly how you add on music to your Lumafusion. It just come on too fast, right? So what I'll do, I'll adjust the volume. Okay, but I'll show you guys another way. We will use keyframing to adjust our volume. Okay, I'll show you two ways. Okay, the first way is easiest. go to your Lumafusion project on your track, on your clip right there, audio clip, double tap. Okay, it will bring up this screen here. Okay, and this is where you can play with your music track. Okay, this different sort of setting, but for now, you just want to adjust the volume with keyframe. Okay. Okay, let me go back. I'll show you another. Okay, another way you can go to is that pencil right at the bottom there. Right at the bottom. Click on that pencil, and it will take you to the same thing. Okay. So there's two ways you can access to this screen right here. One is the pencil. Okay. One is just double tap onto the track or the audio file. Okay, there's two ways you can get access to this screen right here. Now let me play this again. Okay, that's good. Now I like it how to go, but it's to go in too abruptly. Okay, so what you want to do is do a keyframe, so slowly fade in. Okay, smooth in. So I go from low volume to high volume, and that's our track. Okay, so at the bottom left corner there's a plus circle and a plus sign right here. See my finger where I pointed? Okay, that's your keyframe. Okay, click on that, and it will show up a turn to be blue, a dark blue. That right. From there, now your keyframe is on. Okay. Go to your right, the gain, this screen right here, that's your volume, or gain, they call gain, volume, similar, okay? So you want to start out slow, so you move the playhead, see when I move it, go back to the screen, it moves around, right, volume, okay, so you want to go low, down there, so it's fade in slowly. Okay, then you want to press play. Okay, pause it, and you increase from here, right? From the gain section, you increase the volume. See that? You increase from low right there, right? Oh, you increase it to high, so somewhere 0 dB. That's how the artist initially want it. From there, it's now set a keyframe. See, go to bottom right here, bottom left corner. It's now Lumafusion now set a keyframe for you automatically by just adjusting that. Okay, now let me play on. Let's go back. Okay, that's good. I just want to keep going like that and wait till the end where I want it to stop. So this way I have my dialogue in, right? So let me play that for you. This is where my dialogue begins. Yeah, this is where my dialogue begins. Okay, now the audio is too overpowering the dialogue. So what we want to do is lowering the volume down. Okay, so I want to go to my gain here. My gain. Okay, I go all the way. Let's go my gain. Pull it all the way down. All the way down. So I know it will be no more music. Okay. Do I really want no more music or increase it? Okay. I still want to slow down the music a little bit. Okay. But it's in the background. The music now in the background. But if you see, go back to this here. right? This thing here, the brush here, it slowly fade out like that. You don't want to do that, okay? So what I do to fix that is just move the playhead. See the playhead right there? I move somewhere here where the music starts to go in. Down there, roughly, okay? Then I will increase the volume. And since I increase it, see the track right there? It will increase as well. See that? See that? Go back to there, increase it. Now it's like that. Okay, see that? Now go back, I'll do it one more time. So it's roughly right there, right? One straight curved line like that, slope line like that, right? Now I just increase it. To normal. And the curved line is more smoother like that. So when our video go like that, right? And suddenly go drop down. So we like that. Then click out. Or you want to play further. So start from the beginning. Let's play. Okay, that's good. Okay, so since our intro like begin at the beginning, very low sound, then increase to the sound. Let's go where we made our adjustment. From there, right, roughly there. See? Now the sound just drop and I'm into the dialogue. Right? That's very cool, right? So if you want to save it, click out here. There's a arrow bar on the top right, top left on my screen. Okay, top left on my screen, top right on your screen. Okay, then you click out and it's done. It saves that adjustment that we did to the whole thing. And now you go closer and play it again. See, there's a line there, similar adjustment. Okay. How easy was that? Really easy, right? Thumb up for Travis to show you guys how to do keyframing in music. Thumb up, please. Thumb up, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I love you guys. To add more music into your dialogue, you can do that as well. Okay. To add another music track, it depends how much music you have. Okay, how much you want your background music. Okay, but I'll show you this more advanced adding music to your background, but with your voice as well, dialogue voice. How can you adjust the volume on the fly? So you mix the sound to the dialogue, or in this case, it's just my voice. You know, I'm just doing a talking head like this. So how could you mix the music to the dialogue? Okay, so go up to your here, move in another music track. Now let me go move there. Let me play it. Too loud, right? Okay, you don't want to do that. So it's overpowering the dialogue. Similar process, double click, double tap I mean, and do a simple process. Arrow right there, the one corner, that's your keyframe. Okay, click on it and adjust the volume down to, let's say, 25 minus 25 dB. Let's see, let's play it. It works, yeah. Yeah, it's alright. But with this, I want to show you, you can actually, if there's a dialog where the sound is low or there's no sound at all, you can increase the volume adjustment. But you gotta play the whole clip, okay? Right now with Luma Fusion, you can't change the keyframe. Once it's done, either you have to undo or redo. That's it. There's no way you can change the keyframe where it's like on the actual timeline. So I'll show you the process. Okay, let's play. So I want to increase the volume right now. Lower down. See, slowly I'll move it in and out. Yeah, roughly. So you can see here. See right there, right? It's not a very good mix, but see that at the right at the bottom, the blue dotted. Okay, blue dotted here, right? That's where Luma Fusion create all the keyframes for you. And you can play along as much as you want. But the first tip that I gave you, that's the best way you can mix your track. But for this process here, you can only undo. Okay, that's it. Yeah. So that's more advanced video editing for you, audio editing. You can play around with it. I'll show you now the way you're ready. So go ahead, play. I'll give you permission to do it. My name is Travis Chow. I'm a TimelapseNuts. If you like and hear what you've seen so far, please consider subscribing to my channel. I make similar content like this for you guys. Check out my playlist as well. There's a lot of content there for you to check out. Okay.